Hello, good afternoon. Welcome. It's been after a long time. We are coming back live on YouTube or whatever videos I used to make before. But however, because I've been not much in lately into because the market has been tumbling and very much uncertain, and I was not having pretty much time to actually focus on making videos and not in that mood to make videos. However, today I just felt like today I should share because I have made some altcoin picks in all this one and a half month. Like all these, I've just been writing few altcoins down if there is a dip, because it's called a Black Monday, which happened few days before, where because of the FUD, not the FUD, because of the Japanese yen becoming weaker, and that's the reason Japan has raised some interest rates. That news caused stock markets and crypto market collapse for a day, and it was one of the biggest sharp dip, and markets have recoiled or recovered. However, we don't know if there is a second leg down, but when we see RSIs of major altcoins, it's like on the weekly RSIs, the MACD cross as well. There are it appears like the market is going to come back, and most probably, based on all the podcasts which I listen, I have an opinion. It's just my opinion. Nothing is financial advice, and these words everybody must be familiar with quite much. So nothing is financial advice, and what I'm sharing is just my opinion about the market and the cryptocurrencies which I'll be sharing. But if I am sharing some health content information which I usually encounter with most of my patients, like a couple of days before there was a atypical case where the liver was appearing having a fatty appearance. However, the vessels, they were disturbed, and there was areas of some IH, intrahepatic biliary duct dilatation. So I asked that patient for contrast enhanced CT scan, and it turned out to be multiple metastasis, which was there was a mass with calcification near the iliac crest. So it was based on the appearance. Possibly it could be a carcinoid, but carcinoid doesn't metastasize like this. So probably I suggested the patient to go for a PET scan. So how we can differentiate a hemangioma if it is atypical, if multiple, very rarely, from metastasis, like in the delayed contrast phase, there is very fast wash out. But however, in which we can by putting the cursor, by seeing the Hounsfield units and how much is the washout, and so usually hemangioma, they have retained contrast compared to metastasis. So as I, in my older videos, I have said something about the anti-cancer diet, which includes berries, strawberry, even the lactobacillus. I mean to say, the probiotics are good for prevention of cancer cell forming, because it's good not only for your mood for this thing, but the very cheaper is kefir way of option of getting this probiotic drugs, probiotic things, is not just by buying from the pharmacy, but you can go for curd And kefir is very high in probiotic, the healthy bacteria, which is having especially the one called healthy bacteria, gut bacteria is called um, I don't remember its name. In the next video I'll tell for sure. So that is for the health sector part. Now coming to the cryptos, I do extensive research on many altcoins, especially altcoins, because we want much bigger gains. And for example, if I'm a billionaire, I wouldn't be working as a radiologist, which I'm doing now. I would have my own hospital, and I would be taking care of multiple businesses in my free time, and do a lot of things which I can do as of now. So it's we want financial freedom, and that's the quest. And so let's start with some really cool altcoins. I came up yesterday with some very nice coin, which like Trias. Trias is like a minus one, like layer zero. We have heard, which has big interoperability, and it's like a minus one, layer minus one, it says, because it's related with the AI and how the AI function, which should be autonomous, and AI how it should be beneficial, and like AI agents and multiple AI services, which is Trias is the only one. And the one of the biggest holdings, I mean to say, like the coin, the one of the amazing coin which has multiple narratives, is like AI tech, which has launchpad narrative, because it has launched some amazing coins. And AI tech has even the GPU service, which is coming right now, because they are building some data sets to power computing service. And it has DeFi services as well, and it has deflationary tokenomics. So AI tech is one. Commonwealth, WLTH. This is by a big influencer called Kyle Chasse, and he has been because if you want to get into projects as an VC, early investor, Commonwealth boasts about getting those projects for common retail investors, so that they can invest as a VC in early seed round. But the problem with these launchpads, understand the coins, like early initial, the coin release and we dump, and after that it's a slow process of vesting and release. But for example, if it's a good project, usually it's very ideal to hold it for a long time. So in such cases, like humans, we have this tendency to impulsively trade. So the best thing is like not to overtrade, and if you are an investor rather than a trader, you should go for such options where you invest for long term, for 1 or 2 years. Some good projects are there, and you just leave it, and the coins keep releasing, and you just don't see those coins. And because if you believe in that project, which could, because of the backings, because of the whole everything about the project. Like for example, Ethereum, it launched at $6 or something. Now you see Ethereum at 2, even though even though the sentiment is pretty low for Ethereum right now. I feel now it should be time for at least 3 to 4x for Ethereum, possibly. So next one is OTK. It has multiple small games. Even the Bonk has launched its game on OTK, Octo Gaming. It has not only incentives in the form of OTK coin for playing the game, you get play to earn, but even you get the real world things like headphones and other things as reward system. So OTK always does good. Now it has come to all these coins have come to rock bottom, and they are at absolutely bottom of their not bottom, because they just had the first leg up for recovery, especially the OTK. Injective is the finance blockchain. It's interoperable. It's on the backed by Mark Cuban and big investors, and it's still a good buy, in my opinion. However, there are people who like TA analysis. I've seen like Injective, if it doesn't bounce now up, maybe the bull run for Injective and some other altcoins, maybe the second leg for the bull run is not there, because based on the 5.3 theory that Bitcoin won't surpass 73,000, the last phase of the bull run won't be there this time. Maybe because of any black swan event or any big news which is yet to come. Possibly, these are all the probabilities and possibilities which makes us, which we should be aware to be a better investor. And one celebrity coin which I have is called Jason, by Jason Derulo. He's a big megastar, superstar, and he has huge millions of fan following, and I joined his community, and it's amazing. Hardly there are few people, and he's very interactive. Like personally, you get to talk with him. He's even so basically, if you are midst pool of people who are successful, who are prosperous, you get those mindset, and that's the reason I always suggest people to go be with those birds which flock. You need to flock with those birds which are having high goal setting, and who have good positive mindset, and who wants prosperity, and not greedy, but being prosperous. So Jason coin is as like two, it's a steal buy, like in my opinion 1.6 million market cap, and sky's the limit for this coin, because they'll be having utility case. TARS protocol, TAI is the ticker. TARS protocol is by the Solana Foundation, like bringing AI on Solana. I don't know what else they are doing, but many YouTubers are talking about it. I read few things. They are doing the buybacks, and even the coin has really, when it's peaking, it's having huge parabolic run-ups, and it's being bought, and it's not going below this trend line. So TAI is a very good buy. OGPU is a decentralized GPU. It's being spoken, and it's low market cap coin as well. This one is having, I think, 16 million market cap, and TARS protocol is 14 million, and fully diluted it should be around 100 million. And Injective is, as I said, is like it's also deflationary. So Injective is like 1.7 billion, but however it's in high market cap. Injective and Tau, BitTensor Tau. I got into BitTensor Tau at $180 when there was this dip, and it's even spoken by many YouTubers that it would be into ETF category for AI this thing, Filecoin, Injective, and Filecoin, Tau, and there was one more which I'm not able to remember. But BitTensor Tau is certainly based AI, spoken by many YouTube is they are showing testnet Cyan network, and I feel it's promising, because nothing to lose, everything to gain, because spoken by, they will shield this project, and it is BitTensor Tau competitor. Tau is 2 billion market cap. Based AI is just around 100 million, less than 100 million market cap, and it has an amazing mechanism. Like there is a Pepe coin, not the Pepe meme. This is a Pepe coin, COIN. So Pepe coin, the name itself is, the ticker itself is Pepe coin, and Pepe coin is going to get burned, and that would the brains would be generated after burning 1000 Pepe coin, and those brains would be used for based AI, which has this KK bot, which is an amazing feature for trading and multiple utility use cases. So you need to do all the research. Vertex, I already staked it a long time before, so it just, all these coins, it's like if you're just throwing like $300 each in this thing, and if they go 10x, you get $3,000, and all these are having great utility and use case, big investors, good, some with great tokenomics and some with very powerful backups. There's this one game called Uncaged, MBS. Crypto Bander was early investor in this. I'm seeing this coin since 1 billion, and now it's around 3 million market cap. And when it pumps crazily. Alex Becker has this coin in portfolio. Crypto Bander has this in portfolio, and even on as you have seen this Neo Tokyo, where multiple YouTube influencers, they have this I don't know, they are into this Neo Tokyo project, where multiple gaming projects are into this big platform. I have personally not actually made a detailed study. Okay. E-commerce signatures. Okay. So that is for about MBS, and in my opinion, it's a good buy. You have $100, $150 invested into this, would turn up to be just 10x, $1,000. 100x, it's 100. Some coins are like 100x coins, like you invest $100, you can get $10,000. And if you are an investor, not a trader, because sometimes you have this exit options, and the market goes parabolic, everything goes skyrockets, like Bitcoin goes 7 to 10%, 5%, the all coins goes 50, nuts, crazy. Cookie is having they are like what do you say, they are like marketing agency kind of coin, which I don't remember, but this is by some big influencers, some big backups, big teams. Cookie, COOKIE. I think I heard, if I'm not mistaken, it's from Google. It was said to be like Google of Web3. I don't know, but I don't remember, because it's been a long time. Blender is spoken by many. It's again a GPU rendering service, just like Render, but at a very low market cap. Crypto Gains speaks. Superman speaks about this. Miles spoke about this. Crypto Banter spoke about this. All big influencers. It's a steal buy as of now at 0.47 price, 27 million market cap. They have even did some sponsored event for Twitter, some SpaceX, something about this I had seen few days before. Coty, if you are bullish on some big projects, like Coty is a privacy layer 2 solution on Ethereum, EVM compatible, but the privacy is the main feature. Plus it's has been tied with the Bank of Israel, and it's the only coin which is having this proper CBDC project. So Coty should be huge, and right now its market cap is 100 million. So even the fully diluted is around that similar. So you don't have maybe it's, in my opinion, it's a 100x coin, 10 billions. If CBDs is on Coty, then just imagine, sky's the limit. $1 trillion, $1 billion, $100 billion. Now it's on 100 million. So 1 billion is like 10x, 100 billion is like 100x. So sky's the limit for Kuti. Cubic is very promising. It's again deflationary. It's a proof of work coin. Cubic is a competitor to I think BitTensor to Cubic. It has huge dilution, but the coin number is in trillions, and it has even these burning mechanism naturally. So the supply would come down, and for sure, and the price appreciation. So P stake is like stake. It's by the Babylon chain. It's like staking Bitcoin on and getting like liquid staking. So P stake is one amazing coin which I felt like I should invest. $150 on this. Easy is again backed by Animoca brands. It's a real world asset kind of narrative coin, which with multiple you can just it's a colorful this thing. You have staking, you have auction system on Easy. Swap markets is regulatory compliant, I think in Germany, and you have all the US you have the treasuries, you have the commodities on this, you have the stocks on this, you have the cryptocurrencies on this. So swap markets is I'm pretty bullish on this real world narrative coin. Tectum is these all coins are at the bottom on the floor, and you just need to pick up all those gems. And these gems, of course, if nobody appreciates gems, there are people who would, for example, retail, the investors, they appreciate, they will buy when everything is at the bottom, not when the chart is up, and when we shouldn't be the exit liquidity for the sellers. Zephyr coin is a privacy backed Zephyr has three features: privacy backed coin, which has its share, it has its own like US dollar stable coin. It has its own stable coin. So Zephyr, it went to 100 million before, and now it's just trailing around 7 million. And when it had a crazy pump. Octavia is related with the AI agents. It launched on multiple projects like Ape Terminal. It launched on AI Tech. It launched on Chain GPT. It's a great one. Pepecoin, as I told it, what it was. Pepecoin is this is the OG coin related based AI. It's now on 200 million market cap, and it would be burned. So you see the price appreciation, it would be crazy. There's a recently on Open Fabric AI. It's like it's a blockchain layer 2, and multiple AI narratives are there in they are, I think even the marketplace, they have a marketplace, I'm not sure, but it's they are having an incentive mechanism. Like if you are holding 800 of they will airdrop you some $10,000 worth of this thing. So something incentive mechanism is going, and it's backed by many big companies and big YouTube influencers. Startless was the darling coin of last bull run. Too much, but the AAA game, it's crazy game, and now it's on steel price 20 million market cap. It's a steel price. And there is one more called Alien Base on Base Chain. For example, Aerodrome Finance. It is like, I think 600 million. Now it has come down to 300 million. But Alien Base is just 5 million market cap. Fully diluted is 15 million, and it has amazing features. You need to just check out all those features, like like some similar to base swap, where Coinbase is having, which I read somewhere, like base swap would be the, for this new Coinbase wallet, base swap would be the main swap, where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. So that is on the Coinbase. There are two coins which are Alien Base and Base Swap, which I'm bullish on, because of its features, and good right now because not much liquidity is inside. Even though on the Alien Base there is I think over 10 to 15 million of liquidity, total value locked, with good reward system. And AIT protocol, Little Bub is a nice meme coin where there are two memes in this. One meme is connected with the community project where they are doing welfare and helping the animals. That is one Little Bub, goes by the ticker BUB. And one Bub is again backed by, not backed by, Kyle Chasse was speaking about this, so I have, you can just put 100 and just leave it. And so that Nakamoto Games, Fracture, Hello Labs, where Fracture, every cryptocurrency person, it's similar to, it's like a decentralized bank. Nakamoto Games, very famous now, is Steel Price. It's like plethora of games, similar to OTK, but it's a Steel Price right now, because it went to 200-300 million earlier. And Hello Labs, again it's a Steel Price. Shark Tanks, Killer Whales series is from Hello Labs. This guy is the owner. The CEO is a great entrepreneur, and he's pretty much active into the entertainment industry. So it's a Steel Price now, 10 million market cap. Tucker, they have a nice fun series, cartoons on major crypto events, and they have been making videos relentlessly. Corpo Games are like AAA games, gaming studio, where they launch their own games too. Like they have already launched 3-4 games, amazing AAA games. And even though dilution is more, but it's many YouTube influencers are behind this too. And Graphling protocol is no code blockchain, so it's very easy for any Web2 transition to Web3. And Inspect is like layer 2 on Twitter, and Inspect is even having with the Sui blockchain. So for today, I will conclude this. Sensei is altogether a different ball game related with the AI. You should check out Sensei. It sounds like Japanese sensei, but it's not. So SNSY. Ori Chain is a great AI coin on Cosmos. Carrot, GPT, Carrot CARAT is an amazing AAA game. Alaska Gold Rush, it's again Steel by Mint Layer, DEAI, GTAI. These coins, if you just invest in these coins, it's not a financial advisor, like throw some $50, leave it for 2-3 years, you'll be a millionaire. This is my opinion, not a financial advice. Baked by Crypto Banter, this is a meme coin he says it's PZP, spoken by many. Illuvium, again it's a game. PZP, again plethora of games. Illuvium is one single game, but it's a very famous game. All big influencers, because mostly all the big influencers, they want to go in safer. For example, if you're having $1,000 of investment, you just go for We can go for one high cap coin, which is like high cap, like 1 to 2 billion, $200 in that, make it in $2,000, 10x. Rest of the all portfolio under 100 million to 5 to 1 million market cap, you have to divide, and in those you get 100x, and rotate this cash and go for the bigger alpha plays, coins which are much more stable, which won't rug pull. But still, in cryptocurrencies, many things get rug pulled. Even as you know about the Terra Luna and FTX collapse, and big one Celsius. These were big players where big players have invested, and those turn out to be some. Those were Fugazi and Fugazi plays, and people, cheaters. So anyways, today was crazy alpha which I have given you. My video, next video when it would come, I try to hire some people. They are not so serious, so that's the reason I usually say, like, serious people, they are already rich, but we need to make efforts to be a billionaire, to have high goals and reach to a certain point in life where you are financially free, you help others, and that's how, if you are a billionaire, you help a lot of people. If everybody is rich, crime rate is down, healthy ecosystem, healthy society, and that's how it goes, but people are greedy, they want everything for themselves, and that's how the system works. And when you are into that system, you have to have a wise strategy, not to be in too much limelight, but be enough to get something for yourself and for others. Help yourself and help others. You can do through money, through good advice, through good suggestions, as a doctor, as if you're a good human being. It doesn't cost you to be a good human being. How it is yin yang. What you do, you get back. So I'll conclude this video. So like, subscribe to my channel, pass some comments, of course good comments. I would love some good comments, not the shitty ones. Some people are always pessimistic. They should consume some cashew quite often, because that's effect. They should be in nature. They should be amidst some positive mindset people, or if we are having some, they should always seek medical advice. So take care, have a nice time, peace.